Very nice looking friend. Silent. Why no? Looking for you. Hello to GPC Construction. Hi. Better. Yeah. Please guys, if you didn't yet subscribe, please subscribe to my channel because I have Ulan man. I have to get my road to 100k subscriber. Pagkaon naman diha. Yes, is always going off. Kaya po? Ngayon? Oh, very beautiful. Thank you. Thank you, GBC Construction. Can I ask a question? Okay, sige. What is? The wind? Oh, okay. I have my electric fan there because it's so hot. It's so hot. It's annoying the noise. Okay. It's stressful to be so beautiful. No, I stress about my channel. No why. Because I didn't get my I can't earn. I can post, I can live, but no, nothing is comes to my channel. I lost my earnings, guys, because my channel get monetized. That's what I said. So I feel stressed, I feel sad. So I hope you guys. It's nice to be quiet now. I don't know. So stressful, but I need to fight it. I need to fight. Go go. I need to go go mom. Go go. Go go for 100k subscribers. So guys, please help me to grow my channel. And please watch my videos in the walking. Please support me. Such a bright lipstick. Yes. Because so that I am attracted to my viewers. So I need to be a lipstick. And it complements my food. Huh? My son, oh. Such, hi to, I don't know how to read your name. Kim